My family, they're leaving me. Where are you going?
I'm talking to you.
Where are you going?
To my school.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Hey, get some light on you.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
You're way less shadowed.
Oh, yeah?
And this is looking like odd because of all the lights.
Oh, the nice house.
Yeah, we're just missing the LED lights for here. That's going to be here tomorrow.
Yeah. We did have LED lights, but they weren't good enough for the kitchen. They were like...
Yeah, so we did a project with them, and I guess I didn't show it last night, so I'll have to show it tonight. You have to add it to the...
You didn't show it?
I show what I'm doing, I thought.
It's so hard for us to keep on it.
Yeah.
Because we're working and we're like, I'm not getting the camera for this, or we forget.
Well, it's not really that. It's just that there's so much to do.
There's so much to do. And yesterday I made a lot more work for myself.
Yeah.
But it's gonna
I'm
end
showing
up okay. It'll end up okay.
Right there.
I bought mud. And I just couldn't not do that, so it'll get done eventually.
Well, what do you guys think about the lighting? Is it good enough here? This is, we've got this, and that's $41, and I had to add the GU10 bulbs to it.
Yeah, $41. I looked today on another website, and this is $259. And I showed Hadar, and we were like, $259. We got it on Amazon for $44.
41 without no tax.
Oh yeah, 41
before tax. I got 2 of those actually, and if you can't really tell, but you see something is off about them. It's a
I don't even look.
It's a vlogger's hack. Yes, no one looks at it, so I made a vlogger's hack, which basically what it is, it's wrapping paper kind of that is like half
like the cellophane
transparent.
that you get in that.
Yes,
Yeah.
I actually that's where I got it from yesterday.
Yeah.
I wasn't even thinking about it for
something, wasn't it?
Wasn't even thinking about it for that, and I was like, I need this, and then I was like, oh, there it is.
Yeah.
So what it's for is for diffusing, because these are 800 lumens per bulb, which means it's extremely bright.
Very bright.
So it makes very harsh shadows. But look at Abigail. So we haven't had any time to mess around with the lighting. I did replace all the bulb with LEDs, so they're all white. That one over there is as well, and you can tell, you see all this? That's window, and we need a light for there. But yeah, it lights up. The house is much better lit now. It's getting formed. Andrea's mom still got to take a lot of stuff, but as you can tell, we can film around here and have light. Have plenty of light.
Somebody asked me. Oh,
that's mine. Yeah.
Somebody asked me, what's the deal? Like, where did all that stuff come from? A lot of the stuff that was in the house was left. And then a lot of the stuff that we're actually using right now, my mom gave to us. She said, you know, whenever you want to update it, you could either keep it or update it or whatever, because she doesn't need it. It's things that she doesn't need, like extras. And she has been saving stuff for us for the past 2 years. So she has saved us thousands. And there's things that we could replace in here to make it look a lot better, but they work, so we're just gonna keep it, and it would probably cost us like $2,000 to replace. Like the stove works just fine. I had a hot plate. It's dirty right now. I cooked dinner last night and didn't clean. I had a hot plate and a toaster oven, and I haven't used that toaster oven since I've been here, and I haven't really used the oven either. But it's much better lighting, isn't it? You have to admit it's much better lighting, yeah?
Me? Of course. That's why I installed specific lights that I wanted.
But
here,
we
turn
still
that
need
one on.
to light the living room. It's dark.
Turn that one on.
Oh, and he got us a real lit light for this one too.
Yeah, it's
but now you can see all my dirt.
Exactly. Here, I want to show it.
Like, we could replace this. Go show my washer and dryer, because it's old, but I love it.
Here's all the grime, and that's going to get clean now. But you can really tell what you're cooking. I love it.
Yeah, it's good. This is fine. This is fine. We did need to replace this because it actually hurt me and Abigail. It had a thing, the door handles were very close together, and I was looking at Rafael one day, he said something to me, and I went like that, and my finger went all the way in and I hurt myself really bad. And the door, when I lift it up, I hit my head on the door. Abigail did the same thing. She knocked herself out 2 or 3 times on one of the door. It closed automatically because I guess the level of the house, whatever. It was not good, and it sounded like a motorcycle. So we had to get a new fridge, and this one's actually smaller than our old one. But these, look, it's massive. This is an extra large load of clothes.
It's like
that
a
I just washed.
hotel laundry machine.
Oh my God. It's so nice. And this huge washer with the agitator in it. Now, we had a new washer, right? We had one of the front load washers, front load dryers, you know, all the... I will not get one of those again. And that's pretty much all they sell. I love these. And they're 30 years old.
Here's all the work that was done. I'm not sure how much of it we filmed.
Oh yeah. Did you show why? Did you say why all this work had to be done?
Well, you see they had this stick.
Strip.
Yeah, that. And I asked Andrea, what's this for? And she said, I don't know. So
I kind of did know, but I told him, I said, cut the wallpaper out of it and just leave it.
I tried.
But he took it.
It was inside of it, so I had to take the strip off.
Like I said.
And when I took the wallpaper off, that's what happened.
Like I said, glued the wallpaper on with glue. Not sizing, glue. Okay? So, like, there's a piece of the glue right now. It's stuck on there. But I had to scrub that off. So... it took me all day yesterday, and I wanted to finish this room yesterday, and I got so mad that Hadar ripped this off because he ripped the wall off.
I didn't try to. I didn't even do anything to it. I just... Naturally, that's what happened.
I wouldn't have been able, and this is better anyway because we got all the holes patched, but I would not have been able to finish it yesterday anyway, even if he didn't rip the wall off. So, it's okay. But this paint is so hard to cover up, this blue. Or green, I don't know. We got blue and green in the house that we got to cover.
Yes, many more lights in this house now.
Found it.
You found it?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to make it?
Yeah.
That's for Passover that we missed. We were supposed to make a mobile. That cat is still there. Do you think it's
Kitty.
alive?
Abigail, can you please pick that up? Thank you.
Is that cat living? It's still there in the same spot.
Yeah, it's alive.
All right, my dad's coming over today,
Stalker cat.
but we're probably going to have to leave because we need to get some stuff. He is going to work on the fence. He does the base part of it, and then Hadar puts the boards on.
Make a pretty good team.
He does a lot of work too. Yeah, he's anxious to start another project, so we're trying to get this fence done.
Yeah. Best of all, your dad is really measured in his work, so he works hard, but he works very specific. He doesn't overkill himself at all, ever.
Which is good. Yeah, but he gets a lot done. Yeah.
Yep, he works.
He's done a lot of work.
Taught his daughter really well too.
Yes, he actually said that yesterday. Hadar said, your mom and dad taught you how to do a lot of things.
Yeah, I've only
And he
been here
realized it
for
yesterday.
less than a month, and I've already started doing things that I've never done before.
Yeah.
And I'm showing her dad how easy it is to do some things too, because he's never tried to do
Right.
certain things, and I'm like, oh, I didn't know that
Because
either.
you have different things that
Yeah.
we do in Israel.
Let's put a light on. Oh, it's too difficult. Nah,
He
it's
doesn't like
nothing.
doing electric.
That's nothing.
If it's existing electric, my dad doesn't like to do it. If it's new, he'll do it all
This
day long.
took me 2 minutes, and I've not ever done
know.
electric until our house.
He always changes out our ceiling fans, you know, but he's iffy about that because he's not an electrician, but he can do whatever he wants. He does everything, literally. He's a builder.
that
you know.
fence. Andrea got her DIY skills from her dad for sure, because that fence, he didn't even know how to do that. And he
Yeah.
did 2 different types of fence. If you looked at the other day we were camping.
Yeah. My dad, just want to say, my dad is dyslexic, and I am dyslexic. And we are the only 2 people in our family who can read a blueprint and just see it. You know what I mean? And everybody else is like, I have no idea what I'm looking at. Or we can look at a picture and we can build it just from looking at the picture. And the rest of our family, they can't do that. They have to read the instructions. You know, we're not readers, we're doers. We're lookers.
Yeah. Hopefully I'll remember this tonight. Here's a look of it in the morning. That's what I did yesterday. This is on the brightest setting, and this is not what it's meant for. I'm just showing you what it can do. This was under our cabinet, but it was not bright enough, and it didn't give out the 5K daylight. What this is used for now is for us to actually be able to see this at night, and it does a terribly amazing, great job at it.
Terribly amazing.
Terribly. Because it's terrible, but it's really good. Come over here, Abigail.
Okay.
With your bike. Come over here. On your bike. Can you do it? She's learning how to ride it, and she does really well at it too.
He's not.
What's not?
Grandpa's not.
Grandpa's not here?
Grandpa's here.
He is.
Here. Grandpa's here too.
Oh, Grandpa's here. Say hi. Wave at him.
Hi.
Wave at him.
Hi.
You have to wave. Look at me. Look. Hi.
Hi.
Well, now he can't see you, but sure. All right, Grandpa's got some good stuff for us to clean out our system because it kind of got overrun, didn't it? Didn't it, Abigail? Go say goodbye to Grandpa.
Hi.
Go.
Hi.
After he's parked, you can go to him.
Okay.
You want to pick the wet stuff off?
No.
Maybe this color. It's quite messy.
And it works too.
Just gonna put one right there.